What if I told you that combining two common household powders could create a synergistic effect so powerful that it dramatically improves blood flow, enhances vascular function, and supports firm, reliable responses in ways that neither compound could achieve alone? What if this combination has been studied by researchers and shown to produce measurable improvements in cardiovascular performance? Yet almost nobody knows about using these two substances together for intimate health. I am going to reveal exactly which powders these are, why they work so remarkably well together, and how to use this combination to support your vascular health and intimate function. But before we begin, please take a moment to click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you science-backed health insights. The information we are about to discuss is backed by solid science, costs almost nothing, and could transform your understanding of natural approaches to blood flow enhancement. We are not just talking about minor adjustments. We are talking about a fundamental physiological shift that supports your body's natural capabilities. Let me start by explaining what baking soda actually does in your body and why it has such profound effects on vascular function. Baking soda, which is chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a compound that directly affects your body's acid-base balance. When you consume sodium bicarbonate, it acts as a powerful buffer that can neutralize excess acidity in your bloodstream. This might sound simple, but the implications for vascular function and physical performance are remarkable. You must understand that your blood vessels are exquisitely sensitive to the pH level of your blood. When your blood becomes even slightly more acidic, several things happen that significantly impair vascular function. First, the endothelial cells that line your blood vessels become less efficient at producing nitric oxide, which is known as the master regulator of blood flow. Second, the smooth muscle cells that control whether blood vessels are constricted or dilated become less responsive to signals. Finally, the overall capacity for blood vessels to expand and increase blood flow becomes limited. During physical exertion or arousal, your muscles produce various metabolic byproducts, including lactate and hydrogen ions, which increase acidity in your tissues and blood. This rising acidity is actually one of the factors that limits performance and contributes to fatigue. When you buffer this acidity with sodium bicarbonate, you create an environment where your blood vessels can function more optimally, where nitric oxide production is enhanced, and where blood flow capacity is maximized. Research has demonstrated that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can improve exercise performance, enhance blood flow during physical activity, and reduce the sensation of fatigue. These effects are directly relevant to intimate function because the physiological demands of intimate activity are similar to other forms of physical exertion. Your body needs to rapidly increase blood flow, maintain that blood flow over time, and sustain physical activity without premature fatigue. Sodium bicarbonate supports all of these requirements. But here is the critical insight. While sodium bicarbonate alone provides benefits when you combine it with a specific complement compound, the effects are dramatically amplified. The powder you need to mix with baking soda is citric acid. Now, this might seem counterintuitive at first. Why would you mix an acid with a base? The answer lies in the chemical reaction that occurs and the compounds that are produced when these two substances interact. When sodium bicarbonate and citric acid are mixed together in water, they react to produce sodium citrate water and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is what creates the fizzing or effervescent effect you see. But it is the sodium citrate that provides the remarkable benefits for vascular function. Sodium citrate is a compound that has been studied extensively for its effects on blood flow, endothelial function, and physical performance. It works through mechanisms that are complementary to those of sodium bicarbonate alone. Sodium citrate improves blood flow by enhancing the bioavailability of nitric oxide. It does this by reducing oxidative stress in the endothelium and by improving the efficiency of the enzymes that produce nitric oxide. Furthermore, sodium citrate also improves the fluidity of blood by affecting how red blood cells behave. When red blood cells are more flexible and flow more easily through small capillaries, oxygen delivery to tissues improves. This enhanced oxygen delivery supports tissue function and reduces fatigue. Additionally, sodium citrate affects something called the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, which is the primary energy-producing pathway in your cells. By providing additional citrate, you support more efficient energy production in the mitochondria of your cells. This means more energy is available for all cellular functions, including the smooth muscle contraction and relaxation that controls blood vessel diameter. The combination of sodium bicarbonate and citric acid creating sodium citrate, along with the residual buffering capacity from any excess bicarbonate, produces a synergistic effect on vascular function. You get the pH buffering benefits that support optimal blood vessel responsiveness. The enhanced nitric oxide bioavailability from the citrate improved blood fluidity and oxygen delivery and enhanced cellular energy production. All of these mechanisms work together to create what could be described as a vascular explosion, where blood flow capacity is maximized and sustained. Let us now engage in a comprehensive examination of the specific physiological mechanisms that unfold within your body to create this vascular synergy. It is essential to understand that this is not a singular event, but rather a cascade of biological processes. When you consume this mixture approximately 30 to 60 minutes before intimate activity, you set a complex series of events in motion. The sodium bicarbonate begins the process by buffering any excess acidity in your bloodstream. This is the foundational step because it creates a more alkaline environment that is absolutely optimal for nitric oxide production. In this optimized environment, your endothelial cells, the cells lining your blood vessels, respond efficiently by producing higher levels of nitric oxide. This critical molecule signals blood vessels throughout your entire body to relax and dilate. However, the production of nitric oxide is only half the battle. Preserving it is equally important. This is where sodium citrate plays its specific vital role. At the exact same time that bicarbonate is optimizing production, the sodium citrate is improving the stability and effectiveness of that nitric oxide, preventing it from being broken down by oxidative stress. From a biochemical perspective, the sodium citrate produced by this reaction is particularly valuable for vascular health because citrate acts as a natural chelator. A chelator is a substance that can bind to certain metal ions. In the specific context of vascular function, citrate can bind to excess iron or copper ions, which otherwise catalyze harmful oxidative reactions. By sequestering these ions, citrate helps prevent oxidative damage to the endothelial cells. By protecting the endothelium from this specific type of oxidative damage, citrate ensures that healthy nitric oxide production is maintained over time rather than being degraded. The impact on cellular energy production deserves special emphasis and detailed explanation. The citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, is the central pathway through which your cells extract energy from nutrients. Every single cell in your body relies on this cycle to produce adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency that powers all cellular functions. When you provide additional citrate through this mixture, you are essentially feeding this cycle. You are supporting more efficient energy production, specifically within the mitochondria of your cells. This enhanced energy production has profound implications for the smooth muscle cells that control blood vessel diameter. These cells require significant energy to function. The improved cellular energy production from the citrate means that the smooth muscle cells in your blood vessel walls have more adenosine triphosphate available to power the active relaxation process. This availability of energy means blood vessels can dilate more completely and, crucially, can maintain that dilation for longer periods. For intimate function, this translates directly to firmer responses that develop quickly and possess the stamina to last. Furthermore, the pH buffering effect has implications that extend to how your nerves and muscles respond during intimate activity. Nerve signaling is significantly affected by pL levels. Maintaining an optimal pore supports better nerve conduction and sensitivity. Muscle cells, including the smooth muscle in blood vessel walls, contract and relax more efficiently when pH is properly buffered. This results in better coordination between arousal signals, blood flow responses, and physical sensation. Another aspect of this mechanism worth considering is the impact on endothelial progenitor cells. These are specialized cells circulating in your bloodstream that can differentiate into new endothelial cells and help repair damaged blood vessel lining. Research suggests that maintaining proper pH balance and supporting the citric acid cycle can enhance both the function and the number of these progenitor cells. This suggests that the mechanism is not just about immediate blood flow, but also about the potential regeneration and repair of your vascular system. The enhanced blood flow that results from this multifaceted mechanism is not just a temporary dilation. It is a sustained state of vascular readiness. Some men report that the effects of this mixture feel distinct from other approaches. Rather than producing a forced or artificial response, the combination creates optimal conditions for your body's natural mechanisms to work at their absolute best. The response feels natural and fully integrated with your overall state of arousal and physical engagement. Now let me explain exactly how to prepare and use this mixture. The ratio of sodium bicarbonate to citric acid matters because you want to create the reaction that produces sodium citrate while also having some residual buffering capacity. A good starting ratio is 2 parts sodium bicarbonate to 1 part citric acid by weight. For a single dose, you might use about 3 grams of sodium bicarbonate mixed with about 1/2 gram of citric acid. To prepare the mixture, add the powders to about 8 to 12 ounces of water. The mixture will fizz vigorously as the reaction occurs. Stir it well and let the fizzing subside somewhat before drinking. Some people find the taste more palatable if they add a small amount of natural flavoring like lemon juice or a splash of fruit juice. Though this is optional, the taste on its own is salty and slightly tart but not particularly unpleasant. The effervescent reaction that occurs when you mix these powders also serves a practical purpose. The carbon dioxide produced helps to disperse the compounds throughout the water, ensuring they dissolve completely and are readily available for absorption. The fizzing action can also stimulate digestive processes slightly, which may contribute to faster absorption. Some research suggests that carbonation can enhance the absorption of certain compounds through the digestive tract. Timing is important for maximizing the effects. You want to consume this mixture about 45 to 60 minutes before you anticipate intimate activity. This gives your body time to absorb the compounds for the pH buffering to take effect and for the vascular benefits to fully manifest. The effects typically peak around 60 to 90 minutes after consumption and can last for several hours. The immediate effects you might notice include a sense of increased energy or alertness, a feeling of improved blood flow or warmth in your extremities, and enhanced physical readiness. These are all signs that the mixture is working to optimize your vascular function and cellular energy production. During intimate activity, you may notice quicker arousal responses, firmer erections that are easier to achieve, and maintain an improved stamina without the premature fatigue that can sometimes occur. Some men report that the effects of this mixture feel different from other approaches to enhancing intimate function. Rather than producing a forced or artificial response, the sodium bicarbonate and citric acid combination creates optimal conditions for your body's natural mechanisms to work at their best. The response feels natural and integrated with your overall state of arousal and physical engagement. You will quickly learn how your body responds, what timing works best for you, and what doses produce the desired effects without any discomfort. This ability to fine-tune your use based on direct experience makes the approach more effective and personalized. Safety considerations are important to address. Sodium bicarbonate is generally safe for most people, but it does contain sodium. So, if you are on a sodium-restricted diet or have high blood pressure, you should consult with a healthcare provider before using this approach. The amount of sodium in 3 grams of sodium bicarbonate is significant, roughly 1,200 milligrams, which is about half the daily recommended limit for sodium intake. Some people experience digestive upset or bloating from sodium bicarbonate, especially when first starting to use it. Starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing allows your body to adapt. Taking the mixture on a relatively empty stomach, at least an hour after eating, can reduce the likelihood of stomach discomfort. The fizzing reaction helps to make the bicarbonate easier to digest compared to taking it without the citric acid. Citric acid is very safe and is commonly used as a food additive and preservative. The amounts used in this mixture are well within normal dietary ranges and should not cause any issues for healthy individuals. The combination of the two compounds is actually easier on the digestive system than taking large amounts of sodium bicarbonate alone, because the reaction neutralizes some of the alkalinity. Also, from a biochemical perspective, the sodium citrate produced by this reaction is particularly valuable for vascular health. Citrate is a natural chelator, meaning it can bind to certain metal ions. In the context of vascular function, citrate can help prevent the oxidative damage to endothelial cells that occurs when excess iron or copper catalyzes harmful oxidative reactions. By protecting the endothelium from oxidative damage, citrate helps maintain healthy nitric oxide production over time. The vascular benefits of this combination extend beyond just immediate effects before intimate activity. Regular use, perhaps several times per week, can lead to cumulative improvements in endothelial function and overall vascular health. The repeated exposure to the pH buffering, the nitric oxide enhancement, and the cellular energy support creates an environment where your blood vessels gradually become healthier and more responsive. Some men choose to use this mixture both as a pre-intimacy enhancer and as a general performance supplement before physical activities like exercise. The same mechanisms that improve blood flow for intimate function also enhance athletic performance, reduce fatigue during workouts, and speed recovery afterward. This versatility makes the sodium bicarbonate and citric acid combination a valuable tool for overall physical vitality. The cost-effectiveness of this approach is remarkable. Sodium bicarbonate costs just a few dollars for a large box that will last for dozens of doses. Citric acid is similarly inexpensive and widely available. For less than $10 total, you can create enough of this mixture to use regularly for months. This is an extraordinarily economical approach compared to any commercial supplements or prescription options. By regularly supporting optimal, balance-enhancing nitric oxide production and promoting efficient cellular energy production, you create conditions where your cardiovascular system can maintain youthful function even as you age.